Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of denim. Denim is such a staple in everyone's wardrobe. Whether it's finding the perfect fit or mastering the art of denim on denim, get ready for a style transformation. So, let's get started, shall we? Let's start with the foundation of any great denim collection, a well-fitted pair of jeans. For a timeless and effortlessly chic look, you can't go wrong with a classic straight leg or a flattering boot cut. Tuck in a crisp white shirt and add a statement belt to cinch in your waist and create those gorgeous curves. To finish off this timeless look, slip into a pair of pointed toe ankle boots for a touch of sophistication, or go for some sleek loafers for a more relaxed yet still polished vibe. You'll be turning heads wherever you go. Now let's talk about the denim on denim trend, also known as the Canadian tuxedo. The key to rocking this look is all about contrast. Choose two different shades of denim, for example, a light wash denim shirt paired with darker wash jeans. Layering is your best friend when it comes to denim on denim. Try a fitted denim jacket over a graphic tee for a cool and casual vibe. Remember, confidence is key. Own this trend and have fun with it. For those days when you want to elevate your casual wear, ditch the jeans and opt for a pair of denim wide leg trousers. They're comfortable, stylish, and make such a statement. Pair your wide leg denim trousers with a cozy knitted jumper for a more relaxed feel, or dress them up with a fitted top for a night out. Don't forget to accessorize. Layered necklaces or oversized sunglasses will complete the look and make you feel like the fashion icon you are. Denim skirts are back, and they're not going anywhere. A mini or midi denim skirt is incredibly flattering and can be styled in countless ways. For a sophisticated look, pair your denim skirt with a fitted turtleneck and some knee-high boots. If you're going for a more relaxed vibe, opt for a cropped sweater or a cute graphic tee. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so have fun experimenting with different styles. Let's talk about adding a personal touch to your denim. Why not try a little DIY distressing? It's easy and can completely transform an old pair of jeans. Pair your distressed denim with an oversized blazer and a graphic tee for that effortlessly cool street style look. Remember, the key to DIY is to have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment and create something uniquely you. Let's talk about the magic of accessories. Denim is like a blank canvas just begging for some personality. A brightly colored scarf, a beaded bag, or some bold earrings can instantly elevate a simple denim outfit and make it feel special. If you prefer a more understated look, try layering some dainty gold necklaces for a touch of elegance. Remember, accessories are an extension of your personal style, so have fun and experiment until you find what makes you feel amazing. Don't be afraid to get creative and use denim as the foundation for some fabulous layered looks. A denim jacket can add structure and balance to a flowy maxi dress, while a denim shirt looks incredible layered under a chunky knit sweater. Just add some ankle boots and a wide-brimmed hat, and you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Well, my loves, that's it for today's denim adventure. I hope you feel inspired to breathe new life into your denim pieces and create some truly magical outfits. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion tips and style inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, my friends.